In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the Agentgpt Autogpt software in a web browser. If you're new to Agentgpt, it's a tool designed to help automate various tasks using AI, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and see how you can get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, type in the URL agentgpt.reworkd.ai. This is the website where Agentgpt is hosted, and it's the launching point for everything you need to do. When the page loads, you'll notice a prominent button on the home page that says Launch Agentgpt. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to starting your journey with Agentgpt. Now, you might see an option to sign in with Google or to create a free account. While this step is optional, it is highly recommended. Signing in provides a more personalized experience and enables you to save your settings and access your sessions across different devices, which can be incredibly handy if you're working on multiple projects. Once you're past the sign-in, you'll find yourself at a screen asking for an agent name. This is where you need to think about what you'll call your AI agent. This name can be anything you fancy, from something functional like ResearchBot to something more whimsical. Whatever you choose, simply type it into the agent name box. With your agent named, it's time to give it a purpose. You'll see a box labeled Goal, where you'll type what you want the AI to accomplish for you. For instance, if you're looking into web services, you might type, Research best hosting providers. This step is crucial because it dictates what tasks your AI will focus on, setting the direction for your interactions with Agentgpt. Next up, you need to deploy your agent. Look for the button labeled Deploy Agent and click it. This action sets your AI into motion, ready to begin tackling the task you've assigned. Now you're entering the exciting part, waiting for the AI to start generating tasks automatically. It's pretty fascinating to watch as Agentgpt breaks down your goal into actionable tasks. You can observe each step being completed in real time. It's like watching a digital to-do list being checked off without you lifting a finger. Along the way, you have the flexibility to manage your session. At any point, you can pause the process if you need a moment to rethink your strategy. There's also the option to stop or edit the goal entirely. This adaptability ensures you maintain control over the AI's workflow, tailoring it precisely to your needs. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on accessing and using Agentgpt Autogpt software. With just a few clicks, you're on your way to having your own AI agent streamline your tasks. Happy automating!